Where does one think of this idea? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. What do you mean not bad? So you're telling me you would rock this, bro? What is this? Yo, cause I've never seen man with the chest cut, bro. Is this playable? Can we play this? 69 out of 10. Chat, you know how bad I wanted this in 2016? I'm not even trolling, chat. Bro! Nah, this is edited, bro. Is this too hollis? Too hollis! Have at least one kid in your school, in elementary school, with this haircut? Like, bro. It's like a canon event, bro. It's a canon event, bro.